Now let's solve a DI set where 5 companies are given to you and these are disguised as A, B, C, D, E but not necessarily in the same order. And what is given with the square chart, that is the profit percentage for the years 2004 and 2005. And these numerical values can be figured out with the area of each of the figures denoted by A, B, C, D, E. There is another chart in this which is cumulative bar chart which represents the revenue in 2004 and 2005 of these 5 companies. So it's a normal problem where the table has to be filled with the given data, and once if I fill this table, it would be easier for you to answer the problems based on it. So let's try to fill the table. Now what I've done is, these are the table for 2004 year and 2005 where 3 parameters are there, that is revenue, profit percentage and profit. So if I use the data from the data set, what I can fill is the revenue for A would be 4600, in 2004 this would be 3900, this would be C would be 2700, D would be 6600, E would be 7700, and the profit percentage would be 15, 30, 35, 10, 10. So profit would be 600, 900, 700, 600, 700. Now for 2005 similarly, 6720 for A, 5000 for B, 3840 for C, 5000 for D, 8800 for E. And the profit percentage would be 12, 25, 28, 25, 10. The profit is 720, 1000, 840, 1800. Now using this table and the data given, we can understand that A is Dixon's and D is Eletropolo. So now let's come to the problems which are based on this data set. So my first problem is, among the 5 companies, if Coleco earned the highest profit, then find which company or companies earned the second highest profit in 2004. So if I come to the table, the company which earned the highest profit would be represented by B. So your B in this problem becomes Coleco. Now the second highest profit is 700, so definitely my both Alta Vista and Bultaco has to be the answer, which is your option A. Now let's come to the next question. Now what is given that Alta Vista earned the second highest profit in the year 2005. So if you look the data, we can figure out that the second highest profit would be earned by C. So C, if I look over here, is your Alta Vista. Now the highest profit earned by the company in 2005 is rupees 1000 crore. So from the given choices, if I look, the answer could be Coleco and Eletropolo, which is your option number B. Now let's come to the another question on this data set. Now what they are asking you is the total revenue of the companies represented by ACD put together in 2004 was what percentage of the total revenue of the companies represented by B, D and E put together in 2005. So let's go back to the table. Now when I come to 2005, A, if I look the revenue, it would be 2004, which would be 4600. For C, it would be 2700, and for D, it would be 6600. So the total, if I do, would be 13900. That is in 2004. Similarly, if I calculate in 2005 the revenue of B, D, E. So B would be your 5000. Your D would also be 5000. And your E would be 8800. So that in total makes, if I add, would be 18800. So the required percentage will be 13900 upon 18800 multiplied with 100, which would be somewhere around 73.94, which is your option B.